Myself Nisha Shrestha, chemistry teacher. Today we will discuss the topic hydrocarbon, which is of class 10 chemistry. Now for knowing the topic hydrocarbon, we have to know about the tetravalency of carbon. Tetravalency of carbon. Now we know that carbon having atomic number 6. So its first shell contains 2 electrons and its valence shell contains 4 electrons. Now for acquiring the noble gas configuration, to follow the octet rule, it has to share its 4 electrons, because it can neither take 4 electrons nor it can lose its 4 electrons. For making covalent bond, it forms covalent bond, and for making that covalent bond, it shares its 4 electrons with other elements. Now come to the point, hydrocarbon. Now hydrocarbon is divided into 2 parts, saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated carbon. Now what is hydrocarbon? The compound made from carbon and hydrogen is known as hydrocarbon. If it contains only single bond, then it is saturated hydrocarbon, and if it contains double and triple bond, then it is unsaturated hydrocarbon. If it contains only single bond, then it is in alkane. If it contains double, then alkene, and if it contains triple bond, then it is in alkyne. Now generally, this is the general name of saturated hydrocarbon is alkane. General name of unsaturated, alkene and alkyne. If contains only double bond, then alkene, and if contains only alkyne, then it is triple bond, then it is alkyne. Now there is also general formula for alkane, alkene and alkyne. For alkane, general formula is CnH2n plus 2. For alkene, general formula is CnH2n, and for alkyne, general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Now for the member of alkane, alkene, alkyne, we have to use this formula. So first member of alkane, for first member of alkane, we have to use this formula CnH2n plus 2. So if C1, what will happen? 2 into 1 plus 2. This will become C1. As for no need to write this 1, so the formula will become CH4. And we know that this is methane. So first member of alkane is methane, formula CH4. And we also know that this is the very important constituent of CNG, compressed natural gas. Now second member, for second member CnH2n plus 2. So if C2H 2 into 2 plus 2, so it will become C2H6, and this is ethane. If you put here C3, what will happen? 3 into 2, 6 plus 2. So this will become C3H8. Name will become propane. After that C4H10 butane, C5H12 pentane, C6H14 hexane, C7H16 heptane, C8H18 octane, C9H20 nonane, and C10H22 decane. So this is all about alkane. Now come to alkene. Now general formula is CnH2n. Or alkene formula is CnH2n. Now first member CnH2 into 1. What will happen? C1H2. Now here you can see their tetravalency is not fulfilled. So this is not the first member of alkene. Okay? Now what will happen? You have to put here 2. C2H2 into 2. So C2H4. So second, this is the first member for alkene. So here you can see that C2 is ethane. So C2H2 will become ethene because the general formula is alkene. So the first member of alkene is ethene. After that, we will put 3. 3 into 2. What will happen? 6. Then propene. 4 into 2. Butene. C5H10 pentene. C6H12 hexene. C7H14 heptene. C8H16 octene. C9H18 nonene. And C10H20 decene. Now come to this alkyne. Now what will happen? Again the formula is CnH2n minus 2. What will happen if you will put 1, 2 into 1 minus 2? Now what will happen? C1H0. This is not possible. So first member of this is not this. You have to put here C2H 2 into 2 minus 2. What will happen? C2H2. So this is the first member of ethyl alkyne. So this is ethyl. So here C2H6 ethane, C2H4 ethene and C2H2 ethyl. Here C3H8 propane. So it will become propene and C3H4 will become propyne. After that butyne, C5H8 pentyne, C6H10 hexyne, C7H12 heptyne and so on. Now see how it is single bond. It contains double and it contains triple bond. In case of CH4, now C shared its 4 electron with each hydrogen. There are 4 hydrogen. So it completes its octet and it will also complete its duplet. Each hydrogen completes its duplet. Now actual structure is not like this. Actual structure is tetrahedral. Carbon having 4 hydrogen has tetrahedral structure. This is the tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral structure of methane. And angle is 109.5 degree. So this is the tetrahedral structure of methane and all are single bonded. All are single covalent bonded. In case of ethene, you can see that there is one double bond. Now see the case of first member of alkene, which is C2H4. C2H4, first member of alkene. Now see, one hydrogen contains, one carbon contains 2 hydrogen. Now this carbon contains only 2 bonds. To acquire the noble gas configuration, to obey the octet rule, it has to be had 2 other bonds. Now tetravalency of this carbon is completed. Now this also completed. So there is double bond between C2 and H4 and angle is 120 degree. So this is the first member of alkene. Now see the first member of alkyne and how it contains triple bond. The first member of ethyl is C2H2. Now one carbon, one hydrogen, one carbon, one ion. To complete its octet rule, tetravalency, we have to put here triple bond and angle will become 180. This is the linear structure. Structure is linear structure and angle is 180. Now one more thing you have to know by knowing this series. You have to know what is homologous series. What is homologous series? A homologous series is a series of compound with the same general formula. With same general formula. The same general formula. And there must be change to each state by a single parameter. Okay? Now see. From methane to ethane, you can see there is only change of 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen. There is difference of only 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen. Again, if you will come from ethane to propane, again you can see that there is increase of one carbon and two hydrogen. From this to this, again you can see there is change of one carbon and two hydrogen. So this is the regular change of a single parameter. So these are known as homologous series. Again from this to this, if you will come, again you will see that there is only increase of one carbon and two hydrogen, and in this also you can see there is change of increase of only one carbon and two hydrogen. So these are known as homologous series. These are also homologous series, and these are also homologous series, because this is the series, homologous series, because there is change of only CH2. There is increase of only CH2. Now we better understand, I think so we better understand regarding saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. In next class we will discuss the next topic regarding this saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons.